2023, Katrina Cassandra Kayana. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Drama will not continue or make me happy. It is simply part of the uniform of beauty who are just made the world a better place. Winning a beauty pageant is not really about the title, awards, and the crown, but it's about having a philanthropic heart to share what we have, no matter how little we own. We have an ability to be the voice of our fellow men and be a male model of them. This year, I'm fortunate to be chosen as Miss Alabama, that marks as one of the most exciting part of my journey that is serene filled with adventures, surprises, challenges, growth, tears, and smiles. I am deeply honored to inspire and to be a role model to my medical students, to create a positive change in the community, and to serve our beloved alma, the Guam National Colleges Incorporated. Being Miss Alabama 2023 gave me an opportunity to inspire my fellow students in the academy in practice of our mission to have faith in God and oneself, to search for truth and knowledge, and to love our beloved country. In addition to that, I will use my voice to spread words of positivity and to promote camaraderie and be united as one for our beloved GNC. At this point in time, I want to express my sincerest gratitude to my extraordinary mom for all her advice, such as being down to earth, being kind and generous, and many more that became my reasons to be the woman that I am today. I also thank her for allowing me to grow and enjoy things at my own pace, especially in achieving my dreams. She also taught me to be myself, and that significant principle that my mom has instilled in me served as my constant direction in life. To my family, as my biggest support system that fueled me with positive energy whenever I needed it most, thank you very much. In addition to that, I will be forever grateful to my amazing advisor, Mrs. Shirley Atkinson, my classmates, Rachel Prophet Joe, and my friends Kim, Cyrus, Andrea, Era, Dale, Alicia, and Nadine for supporting me along my journey in being Miss Alabama 2023. No amount of gratitude can ever explain how lucky I am to have all of you. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the people that I have met along the way. May we all achieve our dreams and become successful in the near future. As for now, let's all enjoy this night as we create good memories to share to each other and to keep it in our hearts and cherish her. And last but definitely not least, I would like to take this moment to thank our Almighty Father for all the blessings that He has given me and the rest of us. Before this speech ends, I just want to leave you a quote saying, "It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are." So, my fellow students, be the authentic version of yourself. Be courageous as always. This has been Katrina Cassandra Kayana, your Miss Alabama 2023.
Our Miss Alabama 2023, Katrina Cassandra Kayana, Miss Kayana, to be crowned by Miss Alabama 2020, Katrina